Hi, welcome back. So let's take a look at how you can encapsulate some of your SQL code as a new store procedure. So you can see here that I've got a very simple piece of SQL code. I want to wrap this up into a new store procedure. So I'm going to highlight this, and this could be a chunk of another script if I so desired. I'm going to the SQL Prompt menu, and I'm going to choose the Encapsulate as New Store Procedure selection. When I do so, we'll have the encapsulation window open, which will guide me through the process. So I can give my new store procedure a name. I'll hit next. When I'm happy with the next screen, I'll hit View Script, and we'll see my complete store procedure output. Of course, then, when I'm ready to execute that statement, I can execute that and save that store procedure. So in this module, we've gone through how we can refactor our code using SQL Prompt. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned.